Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do this look right here. This one is the black smoky eye look, which is my all-time favorite and a classic look. And it just looks so stunning. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep watching. So I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and applying it just the slightest amount on top of my eyelids and blending it with the Real Technique sponge. And then I'm taking this Bharat Dorris loose powder and patting it all over my lids so that the eyeshadows blend nicely. Then I'm taking my Maybelline the Nudes palette and taking this brown shade right here. I'm going to apply it on my crease as a transition color just to have a wash of color on my crease and then blend really well. Then I'm taking this vanilla shade and applying it on my brow bone area and the inner corners of my eyes. Next I'm taking this smoky eyeshadow pencil and applying it all over my lids and not going above the crease line, just remaining inside the crease line. And this is going to act as a base to my black eyeshadow. And this one is a beautiful glittery blackish grayish color and it looks stunning. Next, taking this black shade from the same palette, I'm going to apply it on top of the eyeshadow pencil and going to pack the color in. Again, just remaining inside the crease line. Next, taking this dark brown shade from the same palette, I'm going to apply it in the crease area so that there are no harsh lines and blend it really well. So blending is the key to a perfect smoky eye. So you really have to blend it for quite some time until it appears to be seamless. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Master Prime and applying it in the T-zone area and also on my cheeks. And then I'm taking this duo fiber brush and blending the primer in. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and applying it all over my face and blending it with my Real Technique sponge. Now taking this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and the Colorbar concealer, I'm going to use these together and apply it under my eye area and also giving the slightest shape to my eyeshadow so that the eyeshadow appears to be slightly more neat. And then again blending it with my Real Technique sponge. So I did my eyes first in this video because I did not want my black eyeshadow to spoil my base. Next, taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I'm going to highlight my under eye area and then again blending it with my sponge. Now I'm going to use my Bharat Dorris loose powder to bake my under eyes. Next I'm going to take the dark brown shade from the same palette and do my eyebrows and just fill in my eyebrows. Next I'm going to use this dark brown shade again and put it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this black eyeshadow and use it on top of the dark brown shade on my lower lash line. And then taking this warm brown shade, I'm going to blend everything together and blend it really well. Next I'm taking this L'Oreal liner Magique and I'm going to apply it close to my upper lash line and also create a thin wing. And before the liner dries out, I'm going to use this brush and smudge the liner ever so slightly so that I don't see any harsh lines. And also extending the wing a little bit with the help of the brush. Then taking my black Kajal, I'm going to tight line my eyes and also use it on my lower lash line. Then with the help of the stippling brush, I'm going to remove all the excess powder and I just applied some falsies and put on mascara. Now going back with the liner, I'm just applying it on the band of the lashes so that the lash glue doesn't show. Next, using the Maybelline Master Contour palette, I'm going to contour my face. So contouring my cheekbones, my jawline, sides of my forehead and slightly my nose. Next, taking the blush shade from the same palette, I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Then using the highlighter shade, I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face, like the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, on top of my cheekbones, my forehead, my brow bone area, and I'm also highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, just to brighten that area a little. Next, I'm using this beautiful brown matte lip shade all over my lips. and then using this peach shade on top of that. And I was not really happy with the shade, so I'm using another rosy mauve lip liner on top of that. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.